Do this and goodbye to the problem. Nail fungus can become a difficult problem to solve, and to avoid the proliferation of fungi it is very important to keep the area of the nails dry and neat, since the humidity propitiates its appearance and development. In medical terms, infections of the nails and feet are known as onychomycosis, a condition that can cause discoloration, peeling and weakening of the same. Fungi tend to appear more in the area of the feet than in the hands, because they are always in damp or warm places due to the use of socks or closed footwear, which causes their proliferation. Remedy of 3 ingredients to eliminate fungi. Ingredients: 1. Ethyl alcohol at 90% concentration. 2. Oxygenated water. 3. White vinegar. Preparation: 1. In a glass container, mix 90% ethyl alcohol and hydrogen peroxide in equal amounts and add a little white vinegar to prevent the alcohol from volatilizing. 2. After washing and drying the area to be treated very well, use a cotton swab with the prescribed remedy. 3. We will apply twice a day this remedy on the affected nails. Recommendations: 1. Avoid tight shoes and plastic that do not allow the ventilation of the feet. Therefore, leather shoes are recommended. 2. Avoid walking barefoot in places or public places such as swimming pools, changing rooms or showers, and after visiting them, you should wash and dry your feet very well. 3. It is recommended to use your own utensils in case of pedicure and not share it with others. Even, do not use the same nail clippers that are healthy and those that are infected. 4. Wear 100% cotton socks in order to absorb moisture from the feet. If the socks are wet, replace them with new ones that are dry and then dry the feet and apply talcum powder. 5. Cut the toe